Hi, I'm Karina Gardner, and today in our Learn to be a Designer tutorial, I'm going to show you how to use the type tool and specifically type on a path tool. So this is how I make all of my stamps, and I thought this is such a quick little tip and you might really enjoy it. So what I want you to do is we're going to first create a circle. So we're going to come over here and find, first of all, our ellipse tool. I blanked on what it was called there because it's hiding under my line segment tool. Now, I suspect yours is showing a rectangle tool. Is that correct? Tell me that's correct. So you've got your rectangle tool out. If you click and hold on it and pull out, you will see the ellipse tool. We're going to grab that. You're going to hold down your shift key. Your shift key keeps things in proportion. So I'm holding down my shift key. I'm pulling and creating a circle. Easy, right? Okay, this is the path we're going to work on. So that line of the circle is our path. If you come over to your type tool and you pull out, pull out, you can get your type on a path tool, okay? So I'm going to click on that. Now, if I click on this circle, what you're going to see is faux type being put in. So you can see it's got some funny type. I am going to just do a bunch of gobbledygook here, and you can do the same. So once it's in, I just want to show you how this plays out, okay? If I come over to my selection tool, that's my black arrow, and I select it, I can now change the size of the type and the typeface. So if you go to Window and go to Type Character, okay? Because I'm just going to bring up my actual character window, okay? Click on that. And you can see that's right here. Right now the default setting is Myriad Pro, right, and 12 point. So let's change it to a different typeface. So I'm going to choose one of my fonts. Here we go. Okay. And it's still very tiny, so you can hardly see it. So let's rev up the size here. And you can see as I roll on the size, it will also show me the size. So this is seriously awesome, okay? Not all versions used to be like this, but the newest version is. So you can change your font, you can change your size. Now, if you change it, this is the main way, especially paper designers, and I use this for silhouette and I use this for dingbats, I make stamps, okay? Because if I was to come in and to use something basic like Helvetica, because that's a great font, to actually cut with on your silhouette machine or to show up on your paper product or whatever. If I were going to write this, I'm just writing my own name here and doing a space, you would usually have it go all the way around. And I actually did it pretty close here. You can do double spaces between things, but it's so nice because once you start playing with this, you might go, oh, I wish it was just a little bit closer. I'm going to just change it to 37. Oh, that's too far. I mean, or it's too tight. Let's do, let's see, 36.5. I think we'll do it. And it's like perfect all the way around. So you can start playing with the size of it. You can also play with how many you put on there. Like if I put less and maybe spread them out, you can do that with this right here. See this VA? This is your letter spacing, okay? And so if I start playing with this, I put 100 here. Oh, I need to be selected on it. Select it and put 100 here. You can see it spaces out the letters. It pulls them out. You can do that in reverse and put a negative on it, and it's going to space things in really nice and tight, okay? So that is your quick tip today. I hope you have a chance to play with this. Any path works, by the way. Like not just a circle. Any path you create works, okay? If you are my courses VIP, then you know that I try to make it fun. You're getting an email directly from me every Wednesday, and I try to send you guys worksheets and quizzes and free tutorials and all the good stuff, okay? So hopefully you're joining me there, and if you're not, you can go join at karinagardner.com. If you're looking for full coursework in the things I do, those are all at karinagardnercourses.com, and I only teach things I actually do. I'm a fabric designer, so I teach fabric design. Paper designer, I teach paper design, so you get the idea. So if you're looking for very specific core curriculum, I teach those on my site while I'm designing, because I think it's important for you to learn how to actually do the things that the person actually does. So I hope you enjoyed the tutorial. I hope you have a chance to play around with it, and I will see you soon.